level, there it looks like windows that are literally cut in half. So that's, you know, an interesting thing to contemplate. Look at this tree. These trees look like somebody planted their Christmas tree once upon a time. So this is evidence. So what happens here is, I don't know if you can make that out, but there's a chicken wire holding the facade together. And you see that a lot, preventing the facade to fall on pedestrians. It's a rotten pigeon. It's a Serbian pigeon. He doesn't speak American bird, American pigeon. He only speaks Serbian pigeon. Pizza delivery. Look at this cool place. Let's see if I can't sneak down one of these streets. Some of the streets are a little confusing because they're diagonal. But honestly, almost every street here leads you to the city center. Okay, I've been here. I've actually eaten at this place. It's really cool. I mean, there's so many hidden gems in Belgrade. So many. That's bamboo. Bamboo grows everywhere. Place. So the construction here is primarily brick. Everything's brick and mortar. You can see the building just in front of me here, where they tore down some really old building. Actually, it's cool. They're keeping the facade on that one side. That's so great. Let's see if I can cross the street here without getting killed. But you can see what the buildings are made of here. They're made of concrete and brick. And like the building I'm in, It's the same kind of construction. And I gotta tell you, who's that? It's so strong of a building, and the noise isolation is awesome. I mean, living in America in stick-built buildings, you know, you have to deal with the noise of neighbors, and that's not a thing here. I mean, I know my neighbors. They were up late last night. They were up, you know, past 1 in the morning, and I only heard the slightest of murmur. Under the Giant. So somebody lives in all these places. Apotheca, pharmacy, lots of pharmacies. And when I see that that green cross coming from California, that means something totally different to me. You know, I hope that happens here someday. Honestly, weed's been stigmatized so much, and alcohol's so much worse for you. Weed at least has some medicinal benefits. I mean, anything you overdo is no good. Anything. I mean, too much burek is no good, right? I'll go this way a block, and then I'll head back on the other side of the street. That's Mozart Bet. There's lots of casinos here. It's a wine shop. That's an old building there. So you know what we're gonna do? Well, I'll go to the crosswalk. It's actually, I'm only a block away from the river. The river bends around this city. There's two of them. There's the Danube and the Sava. The Danube merges with the Sava in Belgrade. That's why this place is here so strategically. Look at that furniture. Strippy gold. There's a lot of glare. So I'm a little bundled up. It's almost 1 p.m. 1300. It's December. Oh, what's today? The 27th, Saturday. It's about 32 degrees, 33 degrees out. So look, see another casino. They're just everywhere. And the bowl. There's a fair amount of Chinese people here. I mean, nothing like Los Angeles. But they definitely have their I would say community, because I don't honestly know if they live in any one place, but Chinese are very industrious, and they know how to run a business. You know, for people that were subjected to communism for so long, they're kicking our ass in capitalism right now. They know what they're doing. You know, they have family strength. It's such a powerful thing when people of the same mindset get together on the same goal. It's just, look at what it does. I mean, they're able to support each other. And other cultures do that too. Jews do that. You know, people get really upset with them for, it seems like they run a lot of things, but it's because they're sticking together. There's a reason why. It's not because they're just haphazardly or by some kind of biblical prophecy. Maybe biblical prophecy too. Maybe. At least they have that going for them. Hey, this one. So, I live in Los Angeles. We used to like to call LA the big dirty city. And I guess Belgrade would qualify as that too. It's the big dirty city. And this car. It's a Peugeot or Citroen. I think that was Peugeot. Novi Dorsal. So this is New Dorsal, this community here. I'm sure it's really nice to live there. I mean, that's the equivalent of, we've been moving on up to the east side to a deluxe apartment in the sky. I was looking back. So I live in such a huge city, Los Angeles, and you know what? Los Angeles is not a walking town. You drive places, and I mean, maybe it's my personality, I don't know, but I found it very isolating my entire life. It's hard to meet people. People are very suspicious of each other there too. And the nice thing about Belgrade is that you can walk outside and there's people out and about. I suppose it's more like New York. I've been to New York a number of times, but not enough to comment on it. See that apotheca there with the green cross? I wonder, will those green crosses ever represent a weed store? I don't know. Chances are not for a very long time. The President Palace. Yeah, that's a beautiful looking hotel. It's in great shape. It's got a huge